Hello, I'm Mayor Philgood with your weekly update. Citizens are invited to a combined open house informational meeting about both the City of Prescott's 2025 General Plan and the city's Historic Preservation Master Plan. This meeting will take place on Wednesday, August 30th from 3 to 6 p.m. at the Rollie P. Simmons Adult Center at 1280 East Rosser Street. The City of Prescott's General Plan is a policy guide and provides a vision of what the city will become in 10 years. City staff will provide information and are requesting input on challenges and opportunities related to circulation, which is the movement of people, goods, and services, economic development, types of housing, land use, and public facilities and services. To guide us into these potential future areas, the Prescott General Plan provides a collaborative community vision, a collection of goals and policies to achieve that vision, and a tool for decision makers, developers, businesses, and citizens, and a framework for general planning. The current general plan was adopted in 2015 and must be updated every 10 years. A reevaluation and calibration of goals and policies is necessary to ensure Prescott continues to grow in a sustainable way. For more information about the 2025 General Plan, including updates and a community survey, go to planprescott.com. The City of Prescott Historic Preservation Master Plan was last adopted in 1998. And the goal of this project is to have an up-to-date master plan that provides guidance for staff, preservation commissioners, developers, architects, and homeowners. Additionally, the end product will be a plan formatted to allow for more frequent updates without having to undergo a major project or expense. I encourage your input and suggestions. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on several boards, commissions, and committees. Applications are being sought for the following boards, commissions, and committees: Arden Public Places, Library Advisory Board, Tourism Advisory Committee, and the Planning and Zoning Commission. Only the Planning and Zoning Commission requires the applicant to be a Prescott resident. We have no city board, commission, or committee meetings until next week. As mentioned last week, the 2023 Veterans Day Parade will be held in downtown Prescott on Saturday, November 11th, 2023. Opening ceremonies will take place at 10:30 a.m. on the stage at the intersection of Cortez Street and Union Street, with the parade beginning at 11 a.m. This year's parade theme is Honoring Our Desert Storm and Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom Veterans, a new generation of warriors. Please consider entering the parade this year. Participation is open to everyone and all are welcome. The City of Prescott will be providing a bulk item collection event beginning today to assist residential trash customers with disposal of bulky items that do not fit in the regular trash or recycle container. Bulky items include but are not limited to large household items such as mattresses, furniture, barbecue grills, bikes, and appliances. Yard and landscaping waste needs to be cut down into 4-foot lengths, and smaller items need to be bagged, bundled, boxed, or tied. City crews will be passing through each neighborhood one time only. Each cleanup week route will begin on Monday and be completed on a Friday, as noted in the schedule on the city website linked below. Place all items on the curb by 6 a.m. on the Monday of your fall bulk item cleanup week. Any and all items left at or near the curb could be thrown away as part of the event collection. Please move any items away from the curb that you don't wish to be picked up, or to avoid any confusion or unwanted disposal. This week, city crews will be picking up trash from neighborhoods whose normal trash collection day is on a Monday. The items will be picked up throughout the week. In observance of Labor Day on Monday, September 4th, city offices and Prescott Public Library will be closed, and some services will be affected. City offices will reopen on Tuesday, September 5th at 8 a.m. The library will reopen at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, September 5th. Your library without walls offers e-books, online resources, streaming video, and more, and is available 24/7 at prescottlibrary.info. The Solid Waste Division will be collecting residential trash and recyclables on Monday, September 4th. Please have your containers curbside by 6 a.m. Commercial routes will also be serviced on their regular schedule. However, the City of Prescott transfer station will be closed on Monday, September 4th. The transfer station will reopen on Tuesday, September 5th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and please remember to cover and contain all loads when transporting them to the transfer station. For further information, contact the City of Prescott transfer station at 928-777-1116 or visit prescott-az.gov. Finally, due to Labor Day, my next mayor's update will be on Tuesday, September 5th. I look forward to addressing you then. I'm Mayor Phil Good. Have a great weekend and stay safe.